Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Toyota Yaris key. Open the key fob carefully with the flat edge of a small screwdriver, pry apart the halves, remove the old CR 2032, and insert the new side up. Wear gloves, check contacts for corrosion, and test the remote before snapping it closed. If programming is needed, use your owner's manual or follow the quick pairing steps in the video. Gather the right tools and parts before you start to avoid delays and scratches. You'll need a small flat screwdriver, a replacement CR 2032 battery, and a soft cloth to protect surfaces. Work on a clear table with good light, keep screws and small parts in a tray, and handle the new battery by its edges. These simple preparations make the swap quick and safe for any Toyota Yaris key today. Quick recommendation: if you like staying organized, try these leak-proof containers for meal prep. They seal tight and stack neatly in your fridge. They are perfect for holding small parts like batteries and screws while you work on a key fob, which keeps everything tidy and prevents lost parts. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by locating the seam on the Toyota Yaris key fob and gently pry it open with a small flat screwdriver. Remove the old CR 2032 battery and inspect the compartment for dirt or corrosion, cleaning with a soft cloth if needed. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, test the remote functions, and reassemble the halves until they click. If the key won't program, try the manual pairing steps or consult a dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.